Hello class, today we're doing Unit 2, Lesson 3, dividing exponents. So I want to go over the formula we're going to be using today. X to the a power over x to the b power is equal to x to the a minus b. So in this situation right here, number 1, we have 3 to the 7th power over 3 to the 4th power, which is equal to 3, because they have the same base, raised to the 7 minus 4 in the exponents. 7 minus 4 is 3. So our answer is 3 to the 3rd power. And they're wanting us to express our answer in standard form. So that's when you have a number raised to an exponent and we actually work out what is that value. So 3 times 3 times 3 again. 3 times 3 is 9. Times 3 is 27. Number 2, x to the 6th over x to the 2nd power. Looks just like our example over here for our formula. So it's going to be x to the 6 minus 2. 6 minus 2 is 4. So our answer is x to the 4th power. And there's nothing to change for being standard form. So exponential form and standard form are the same in this instance. Number 3. -5 raised to the 2nd power times -5 raised to the 2nd power again, all divided by -5. On the top, we're following format B over here, where we have a base raised to an exponent times the same kind of base raised to an exponent again. In that situation, we can add those exponents. So I'm going to simplify this top. -5 to the 2nd times -5 to the 2nd can be rewritten as -5 to the 2nd plus the 2nd again. 2nd plus 2nd sounds confusing. Sorry. 2 plus 2 all over -5. If there's nothing written up here in the exponent is a 1. Rewrite it. 2 plus 2 is 4. So we have -5 raised to the 4th power over -5 to the 1st power. And now we can rewrite it using this formula up here as -5 raised to the 4 minus 1 power. 4 minus 1 is 3. So hopefully we're still on the screen here. -5 to the 3rd power. And now to write that in standard form, we have -5 times -5 times -5. Anytime you have a negative times a negative, just 2 of them in a row, that makes a positive answer. But as soon as you get to an odd number like 3, negative times a negative makes a positive. That positive times the 3rd negative makes it negative again. So -5 times -5 is 25. Times -5 again makes it negative 125. Problem number 4. X to the a over x to the b equals x to the a minus b. I'm going to leave it just here, and I'm going to do my subtraction. X to the 10 over x to the 2nd. I'm going to scratch that out and subtract 2 from this 10 to make that an 8. Over here, I have y to the 8th power over y to the 3rd. I'm going to scratch this one out since this one's larger and take 3 away from the 8 and make that a 5, allowing me to rewrite it as x to the 8th, y to the 5th. So without having to rewrite it into a whole other problem, take 2 away from the 10, because that's what's going to happen. We're going to subtract it out anyways. So 10 minus 2 is 8. Just rewrite it right in place. 8 minus 3 is 5. Get rid of this one. Scratch out the 8. Change it to a 5. X to the 8, y to the 5th. And now our last 2 problems. I'll change the camera angle just enough so you can get all of the excitement. 4.2 raised to the 6th power times p to the 4th power over 4.2 raised to the 5th power over, multiplied times p to the 4th power. Same process. Top exponent subtracts the bottom. 6 minus 5 is going to be a 1. And here, 4 and 4. 4 minus 4 is 0. And anything, I'll just write it right here as a little side note, anything to the 0th power equals 1. So now I have 4.2 raised to the 1st power times p to the 0, which is the same thing as 1. So my answer, 4.2. That's all that's left. Here, we don't have an exponent written down here on the a and b, so we're going to go ahead and put a 1 on those. So now I can follow my format right up here. A minus b, numerators, exponent, subtract denominators, exponent. 9, take away 1. 8, 8, take away 1. 7, leaving me a to the 8th, b to the 7th. And that's it for today. Pretty simple. Hopefully tomorrow's even more exciting. Thank you.